Welcome friends. In this video tutorial we will be learning about how to edit your document. As you can see, I have written a paragraph on India which is very small, and it is enough to explain how to edit a document. Now first, it is not necessary that our cursor is placed at the beginning or at the end of our line. So suppose our cursor is in between somewhere. Now if you want to reach at the beginning of the line, press Home key on your keyboard and your cursor will be placed at the beginning of the line. Suppose if you want to put your cursor at the end of the line, and right now our cursor is in between somewhere, press End key from your keyboard, and as you can see, I have pressed End key and my cursor is placed at the end of the line. Similarly, if you want to reach at the top or at the beginning of the document, press Ctrl plus Home and your cursor will be placed at the beginning of your document, and press Ctrl plus End to place your cursor at the end of the document. This is the essential of how to place your cursor back and forth. To edit the text given here, we will use this clipboard group of tools and commands. First of all, we will select the text which we want to edit. For example, peacock is our national bird, and I want to cut this sentence from here. So I have selected this using the cursor, then I have dragged the cursor at the end of my selection and it is selected. You can also use Shift key, place the cursor at the beginning of your selection, press Shift key on your keyboard, and by moving arrow you can select the segment of the sentence or the entire sentence you want to select. So our text is selected now. Suppose now you want to copy this and you want to put it twice, once here and once at the end of our paragraph. So after selection, we will go to this clipboard group and click on copy. Now after clicking on copy, you cannot see anything here because there is nothing you can achieve from copying a text. But if you will click on the clipboard, and you can find a entry here which is peacock is our national bird. Now in this clipboard, all the text that you have copied or cut will be placed. So you can select it from here, and now you are ready to paste it. So the second step is to put your cursor where you want to paste or you want to put the text you have selected earlier. Suppose that we want to paste these sentences at the end of our paragraph. So we will click at the end of the paragraph to move our cursor at the end of the paragraph, or we can use the keys which I have already mentioned in the starting of this module. Now our cursor is at the end of the paragraph. After that, we can use this paste button, and as you click on this paste button, your text will be placed or pasted. So now you can see we have successfully copied the sentence and pasted sentence at the end of the paragraph, and as we supposed to have the sentence at the end of the paragraph and where it was earlier as well.